Mga kababayan ko, mga pasahero, guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang biyaheng Transisia galing Osami City to Cebu City. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kanilang mga pangunahing kailangan sa mga pasahero sa loob ng barko, maliban sa accommodation habang kayo'y naglalayag sa karagatan patungong Cebu City. Aalis ang barko sa Osami City ng 8 o'clock ng gabi at ang estimated time of arrival sa Cebu ay bandang 6 or 7 o'clock ng umaga. Dito ko sisimulan ang aking istorya sa aking biyaheng Transisia dito sa Port of Osamis Terminal. Dito ang holding area nila at final security check nila bago kayo mag-onboard sa barko. Medyo kulang lang ng entertainment screen nila dito. Kung wala kang phone, wala kang mapaglibangan. But in fairness, maayos, malinis at organized. Kudos to those gentlemen and women who are in charge organizing the passengers. At ito na guys, sa loob ng barko, mala hotel ang sit up. Meron silang maganda at maliwalas na receiving lobby at reception desk. Pwede kang mag-standby dito sa upuan habang may hinihintay ka na pasahero or mga kakilala. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa receiving area nila guys, may impress ka sa sit up sa loob ng barko. Maganda at luxurious pakiramdaman.
Cebu City at 8 o'clock comfort showers are conveniently located near your accommodation. For any assistance, please ask them for the station nurse to visit us at our visit counter located at the ship lodge. Thank you on top of the sensitive work in which your station may be. The cell is Captain Raymond Miller, assisted by Chief Engineer Christopher Nicholas. In compliance with the government regulations, this vessel is equipped with essential navigational safety equipment. In the most unlikely events, life jackets are conveniently located in your accommodation. For economy tourist class accommodations, life jackets are found inside the storage lock of your bunk beds. For private accommodations, life jackets are conveniently located in your cabinet. This is a comfort series that has made it safe, clean, and orderly at all times. Thank you and have a pleasant stay on board and your translation. Back for Cebu City at 8 o'clock tonight. We will be disengaging the gangplank in a moment from now. Last call to all visitors. Seatbelt parties and passengers for
Dili pa after balik.
air and ferries of the sea. We ask you, Lord, that those seafarers coming baptized to bring us to our destination will be under your safe guidance. Make them alert and be faithful in your practice. Prone to be silent and courageous to act at all times.
We will be docking at Porto, Pier 5, Cebu City. Here we take oratorios of Filipinos and operations in behalf of the officers and crew of this vessel, as well as the resident and staff of Trans-Asia Shipping Lines Incorporated. We would like to thank you for making Trans-Asia part of this travel. We hope you enjoy the trip with us and we're looking forward to your next voyage.